Hello everyone, myself Bharti from DAV Thermal, Panipat. Have you guys ever noticed that things around us exist in collection, like collection of Pokemon cards, collection of books, or the collection of bunch of flowers? Now you may have observed that this collection has some mathematical properties attached to it. No, this is what we're going to learn about sets. Now, how to define set mathematically? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. What do we mean by well-defined? Well-defined means that does not vary from one person to another. Collection refers to group and object refers to people or objects. And always remember that a collection of things will be a set only if it is well-defined. Now we will learn more further about it. Let's take an example. Month starting with the letter J. That is January, June and July. This is collection of objects and this is well defined also. Because if you'll ask any another person about month starting with the letter J, he will also answer the same. This is January, June and July. So this is well defined also. So it is a set. Let's take another example, all vowels of English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O and U. This is collection of objects and this is well defined also. If you will ask any another person, he will also answer the same, that is A, E, I, O and U. So this is well defined also and it is a set. Let's look further for another example. Collection of 5 best Indian actors. According to me, I would answer Amitabh Bachchan, Govinda, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan and Ranbir Kapoor. But if I will ask one of my friend, he doesn't answer the same but some different answer. According to him, collection of 5 best Indian actors is Sanjay Dutt, Shah Rukh Khan, Ayushmann Khurrana, Amitabh Bachchan and Amir Khan. So this is collection of objects but it is not well defined as it varies from one person to another. So it is not a set. Let's take another example. List of 3 best mathematicians. In my opinion, 3 best mathematicians are Aryabhatta, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Leonard Euler. But in my friend's opinion, 3 best mathematicians are René Descartes, Euclid and Srinivasa Ramanujan. So this is collection of objects but it is not well defined as it varies from one person to another. So it is not a set. Now you may think, why I will study sets? Where I will use it in maths? Well, we study sets to understand the number system well, to solve the word problems using the sets. Maths is all about the numbers, like set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, set of real numbers, and set of complex numbers. Now, I hope you all have understood about sets. Thank you.